Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I've got these 4 coasters. They're explicit coaster molds and I'm going to attempt to do these, and as you can see it's got text in them which is written backwards, and what I would normally do is I would fill these with resin and then backfill them with acrylic paint, but I want to try something a bit different. I've got one of these acrylic paint markers and I want to try and paint on the words first, then fill, and see if that makes it any easier. So before I even start with the resin, I'm just going to try and trace these words basically with this acrylic paint marker, and this is just like a cheap one I think from Poundland. So I'll get cracking on with that and then we'll go on to the next step. So here are the coasters all prepped. I've done all the painting on them, all with the acrylic paint. Now it's time for the resin. Now because these are going to be coasters, the resin I've decided to use today is this heat resistant resin, and it's one from Resin 8, but you can use any heat resistant resin from any company. And I believe, I've never used this one before, but this is a 2:1 ratio. So I'm going to mix up some resin and we're going to get making these, and then I need to decide what colour combo I want to do them. I want to do them all slightly like a different pattern but that complement each other. So yeah, let's get mixing some resin. So I've just gone to pour this and this is rock hard. So I'm going to do what I normally do when my resin does that. And it also says it on the bottle. I'm going to put it in this whole bottle. I'm going to put it in a jug of warm water for 10 minutes before we carry on with anything else. Because as you can see, nothing's coming out. It's gone solid in there. It's crystallised. Okay, this is my colour combo. I'm going to do these 4 colours. So I've got another 4 cups. I'm going to dispense this resin into these 4 cups and then mix the colours in. these are the finished coasters. I think they've turned out great. I think they're some of the best coasters I've done. Hope you've enjoyed this video. What colour options would you do these in? I quite like the bright coasters. And which one's your favourite? Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.